Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here. Over at the Chevy dealer, I was driving by and saw some trucks. Pretty nice looking trucks. So wanted to pull in here and take a quick video and show you what I found. Stay tuned. All right, we are at the Chevy dealer here, and I couldn't resist. They have this white all-terrain Chevy Colorado. I like the setup on this. It has these Mayhem wheels, they're called. Pretty sharp. A Nitro AT all-terrain tire. I guess they call it a Terra Grappler G2. Pretty darn nice. I really like this truck. It's a 17 Canyon 4-wheel SLE cruise short box. You guys can see that, and it goes for $38,500. Take a look at the interior. Looks pretty spacious in there. Nice screen. Got an add-on label. This truck really is $50,485 with the add-ons that they've done. And I can't read the list, but I'm sure it's the wheels, the Weston step bar, does not have a bed liner in it. Has the step bumper, which I like. I think they all should have this. That's this little step bumper feature here. And if I said Colorado, it's a Canyon, GMC Canyon. It's got the antenna on the top there. I'll step around and see about the dual exhaust. I do like these Weston step bars. They're pretty sharp. Take another look inside. It's like all leather. Automatic, of course, with, I guess some sort of an 8-inch or so touchscreen. Can't really see much in the back there because it's a pretty heavy tint on the window. I'm guessing it has probably about a 10-inch lift. Maybe. Of course, lots of this nasty chrome in the front. If this truck was blacked out in the front, I think it would be almost perfect from an aesthetics standpoint. And I wish I could see, I don't know if you guys will be able to see from the camera, these are the add-ons that the truck has on it, but pretty sharp. Also color match door handles, that's nice, I like that. And the no cap gas filler. I think all cars should come with those these days. Anyway, just wanted to get on here, take a quick look at the 2017 Canyon all-terrain. Very nice. As usual, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.